Brooklyn Dindal from Lakeview High School.
And I'm Logan Ledesma from Central High School. And welcome to the first SAISD News of 2011.
In this episode, we're going to focus on construction news and all the updates happening at our schools as a result of the 2008 bond election.
We start at Holloman Elementary, which features a brand new main building.
The new building includes 16 classrooms, one special use room, office space, a computer lab, and a new cafeteria. The new building provides a new front to the school, including a new pickup and drop-off lane and additional parking. The new building is complete, and the teachers and administrators moved into the space during Christmas break, and the classes began in the new building on January 4th. The school's library has also been expanded to nearly twice its original size. Renovation of the old wings have begun with demolition work and abatement already underway. Construction of a new building is also complete at Lee Middle School.
The new wing contains 14 classrooms and a new library. Teachers have moved into the new classrooms and classes started January 4th. Books and furniture have also been moved into the new library, which should be in operation this week. Abatement has begun on the second floor of the main building and construction will follow. Renovation of the second floor should be complete by this summer, at which time renovation will begin on the first floor. At Goliad Elementary, construction of a new building is well underway.
Steel erection is complete and framing and steel studs have begun. About half of the new building is closed in. All concrete slab work is complete and roofing will begin soon. The new building will include 10 regular classrooms, a computer lab, a new cafeteria, and a new office area and campus entrance. At San Jacinto Elementary, construction of a 4-classroom addition is complete.
The addition provides 2 regular classrooms, a special use room, and a new music room. Teachers moved into the new rooms over the Christmas break. Renovation of existing classrooms is underway with demolition work beginning on the south 6 classrooms on the second floor of the main building. Initial work has also begun on the addition of an elevator in the main building. At Central High School, new ag and building maintenance shops are completed and work is continuing on the construction of a new admin and classroom wing.
The new wing will provide 20 science classrooms with labs, 8 regular classrooms, a computer lab, and administrative offices. Steel erection, concrete slab, and roof decking are all near completion, and classrooms are beginning to take shape inside as steel stud walls are going up. The new building, which will face the Houston-Hart Freeway, will also provide a new front entrance to the school. Removal of existing buildings in front of the new wing has also begun with demolition of Morse Hall completed. The anticipated completion date of the new building is August 2011, and classes should move in sometime after the start of the fall semester. Work has also recently begun on a new addition at Crockett Elementary.
Pad and pier holes have been completed and carton forms and underground plumbing are moving along quickly. Grade beams are being formed and underground utilities are nearing completion. Steel erection for the new building, which will hold 12 classrooms, a computer lab, and a new library, should begin in February.
There's definitely a lot of exciting things going on at our schools.
I know, it's really cool to see all these things starting to take shape.
Well, that's it for Bond News at this time, but join us next time as we are back in the classroom with another episode of SAISD News. Bye.